What annual installment will discharge a debt of rupees 2210 due in 4 years at 7% simple interest? So let's say you have taken a loan from a bank of a certain amount. Now the loan is due in 4 years and at 7% simple interest. At the end of 4 years, you have to pay back a sum of 2210 rupees. So let's say this is the time scale. This is 1, 2, 3 and 4. So this is the first year, this is the second year, this is the third year, and this is the fourth year. Now at the end of 4 years, the amount due to the bank is 2210 rupees. Now either you can pay the lump sum at the end of the tenure, which is 2210 rupees, or you can decide to pay an installment each year to make up for rupees 2210. Now let's say you decide to pay an amount of X rupees in installment every year. Now since you are paying installment every year, basically you are saving on the interest which you would be paying for the remaining years. So for example, suppose at the end of the first year you have paid back X rupees. So in that case you don't have to pay the interest for the remaining 3 years on this X rupees that you have already paid. Similarly, for the second year when you pay X rupees, basically you are saving on the interest that you would have to pay to the bank for the remaining 2 years. And the same case for the third installment, you'll be saving interest worth 1 year. So as you can note, x plus x plus x plus x is not equal to 2210 because of the savings that you are making on the interest by paying early. So let's look at it in the other terms. So suppose you pay back X rupees at the end of first year. Then the bank can put that X rupees into an account and gain 7% on that X rupees for the next 3 years. Similarly, when you pay back X rupees at the end of second year, the bank can take that amount and put it into another account where they can earn an interest of 7% for the remaining 2 years. And similarly for the installment that you are paying at the end of third year. So cumulatively, x plus x plus x plus x plus the interest for 3 years on x plus the interest for 2 years on x plus the interest on 1 year for x will be equal to this amount. So let's put it in the form of equation. So for the first year, at the end of first year you are paying back rupees x. So x plus the interest for 3 years, which is again PRT by 100. So here the bank will put X rupees into an account. So principal is X, rate is 7, and time period will be 3 years for the first installment. So 3 divided by 100 plus, now let's take the second installment. So X, so this is the amount that we are paying back, plus now the interest for the remaining 2 years. So the principal is again X multiplied by R, which is 7, multiplied by T, which is 2, divided by 100, plus, now let's take the third installment. So X plus again the principal is x multiplied by the interest, which is 7, multiplied by time period, which is 1 year, divided by 100, plus the last installment, which is as it is, so there's no interest gained on the last installment, and this entire amount is equal to 2210. So let's now solve this. So this becomes x plus 7 3s are 21, so 21x by 100 plus x plus 7 2s are 14, so 14x by 100 plus x plus 7 1s are 7, so 7x by 100 plus x is equal to 2210. Or let's take the LCM as 100 for the first bracket. So 100, so this is 1, so 1 multiplied by 100 is 100, multiplied by x, so this is 100x plus 100 ones are 100, multiplied by 21x, which is 21x, plus again for the second expression LCM is 100, so 100x plus 14x, plus LCM is 100, so 100x plus 7x plus x is equal to 2210. So let's take 100 as the LCM for the entire equation. So 100x plus 21x plus 100x plus 14x plus 100x plus 7x plus, so now the LCM is 100, so 100 multiplied by x, which is 100x, is equal to 2210. Or, so let me pull the calculator here. So 100 plus 21 plus 100 plus 14 plus 100 plus 7 plus 100, so 442. So 442 times x divided by 100 is equal to 2210, or x is equal to 2210 multiplied by 100 divided by 442. Now looking at these numbers, it appears that 221 is half of 442, so dividing both by 221, so this will be 10 and this will be 2, and 2 5s are 10, so this is equal to 500 rupees. So now the annual installment has come out to be rupees 500. So if we add 500 4 times, it becomes 2000, and 2000 is less than 2210. So basically the interest that we are earning by paying early equates to the remaining 210 rupees.